Hey guys, welcome to our Keynotes. In the previous video, we have seen how to perform dependency injection using getter setter methods and constructors. In this video, I'll talk about Spring annotations. To make the demo very simple, I have taken these 5 annotations for you. So basically, annotations means like, passing the metadata. It's a kind of additional information about the program. Fine. So we have seen hibernate annotations. We have used 5 annotations over there, so which are frequently used annotations. Similarly, these annotations are most frequently used in Spring. So one is bean, which is used in method level, and then configuration annotation is there. So that is for to instantiate classes now. And we have component scan, which is used to scan all the variables and attributes over there in the program. And value, so you can set a value to a variable. Fine. And this is the most used annotation, that is overriding. If you want to override a particular method, then this annotation can be used. So let's quickly jump into the demonstration. So this is my example code where I have, this is my project as well. The project name is Spring Annotation, and I have 3 files in that. So this is a Pojo class where I have 3 variables like roll number, student name, and percentage. And using this annotation at the rate value, I'm setting some values. All right. And then to print all these things, I'm overriding the toString method, which comes from object class. And I'm printing everything over here, roll number, student name, and percentage. Fine. This is my Pojo class. Now, this is my, actually we do with the bean.xml, we create XML file, right? So but for a difference, I created a Java file and then I want to create a bean inside that. And it is working working fine. So I'm using at the rate configuration and then at the rate component scan Spring annotations. This is my package name. Fine. So all my components attributes will get scanned. Like I have 3 attributes in the Pojo class, right? And then I'm creating a bean using this at the rate bean. The student bean is the bean name, and then I'm returning the student. So this is my application config.java file. In this, as usual, I'm using application context. We know that the Spring container can be created. Spring IOC container can be created in 2 ways. That is, one is application context and bean factory. And I'm using application context here, and then here the student is the Pojo class, typecasting it, and then context.getBean, the student bean name is student bean. I mean the bean name is student bean here, and then I'm just printing whatever is there in the object S, and then closing the context. So what happens? It should show me the results of the 3 variables. Okay, so I'll jump into NetBeans to show the same demo for you. And here you can see that I have the same files over here. This is my Pojo class and my application config to create bean. And then this is my main method where I'm calling the bean and then printing the information. Now, if I run this, you will get, okay, so the values got printed out here. So this is a simple demonstration regarding the Spring annotations. Hope you understood something, and try this example and let me know if you have got any queries in the comment section. I'm there to help you out. If you like the video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and stay tuned for the upcoming video. Thank you and thanks for watching this.